अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आपको क्रिकेट स्टूडियो में खुशामदीद कहते हैं। साउथ अफ्रीका बीट श्रीलंका फर्स्ट टेस्ट। The players 1 minute wait. Sri Lanka show up with the bat. Sorry guys, please 1 minute wait. Sri Lanka show up with the bat, but they're no for giving 42 all out. As good as Chandimal, De Silva and Mendes looked on day 4, it was all ultimately futile. The temporary is to throw a big sheet over the whole thing. People tend not to watch sport for the purpose of evolving in necessary. Cricket is supposed to exist in the realm of fun. On the other side of the ledger, you trons a team and tend not to want them to drink too deeply from the self-loathing cup. Their failing to believe in themselves cheapens your own achievement. And in a light professional sport, you want to celebrate every win. The team you beat were just lying June to beaten. That no fun. Test cricket, especially perhaps among all sport, can be expectationally forgiving. It narrative arc is long and allow for all manner of mad comeback scenarios. You got shot out for 185 batting first, chin up. One of your opening seamer has one of their greatest day, and you scuttle the opposition for 160. Not so bad. No, on you given up a 130 run first inning lead. That okay, one of your openers rook a fast century and you're back on 11 terms. So you're chasing more than 300 in the last inning. Turn out that easier to do in modern test than ever before. With Kingsmead, the temptation is to say, okay, Sri Lanka were behind the game and foot back in the fourth inning, and that it you rolled up to the ground on the fourth morning, threw a big sheet over the scoreboard, and watched De Silva captain arrived on Dinesh Chandimal cut and pull and Kusal Mendy's sweep. Perhaps this was sufficient evidence of competitive cricket. South Africa were being made to work. The truth is actually quite simple. Test cricket for all its largest cannot forgive this. It cannot forgive a 42 all out. Every action that followed that Sri Lanka first inning was dosed in what it meant for a team to get bowled out for 42. South Africa had been jolted by being dismissed for 191, but they were soaring after those 13.5 over, having established a 149 run lead. They soon on a soft Kingsmith pitch on day 2, and so when they went out to bat again, better batting conditions were in the making. Hang tight, hunker down, play safe. You lost an opener for 70, but you're already almost 200 runs each. It's fine. Wayne Milner, the seam bowling all-rounder, who had fractured his hand, volunteered to bat at number 3 so he could make the ball a little older for the batters to follow while he could still hold a bat. If Sri Lanka had surged to 200 all out, for example, South Africa would have been less likely to take these decisions, batting for 50 overs instead of just 13.5 may have been the Milner would have had to volunteer on the next day when his hand was likely in Rouge, Rouge shape. There was no sense that South Africa were ever in danger, that a moment of misfortune or half a dozen could turn this match. A test match is long as it can be forgiving, but it could not forgive 42 all out. Sri Lanka beat South Africa first test. Of course, Sri Lanka disappointed WTC scenario, but South Africa second test, South Africa favorite in second test, but South Africa beat Sri Lanka. South Africa chances to play WTC final, 3 matches to remaining, 3 win chance to play WTC final, 2 win to play chance to play WTC final. Sri Lanka I think is a difficult, but 3 wins to chance. मिलते हैं अब आपको अगली वीडियो में, फिलहाल तक के लिए मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए।